What's up, guys? I got an unboxing video for you guys. We got a new unboxing video. I received this in the mail a few days ago off Amazon. So let's go ahead and unbox, guys. Got my little boom. That's what's in the box. Get a little user guide. Dear sir, thank you for being our valued customer. Alright. We have here a user guide, as usual. It's pretty good, by the way it looks. Looks like Blue Yeti. If you want to go ahead and buy one, guys, this is what it's called. Fifine K678. The price was pretty friendly too. It was not expensive like Blue Yeti. The reviews was reviews was actually great on this, better than Blue Yeti. Saying Blue Yeti was overrated, and this is much better for a reasonable price, guys. Keep this on the side. Let's go ahead and unbox this, guys. Boom. What do we have here? Ooh, it's the first thing, guys. I hope you can see this. Ooh, looks nice. Boom. There you go, guys. That's how it looks. We'll go ahead and take these out. What do we have here? That's the wire it comes with. Oh, it's USB, guys. So you don't need the extra box, the studio box. I don't know what's it called. So it's pretty easy, guys. You just need to jack this up on your laptop or your desktop. Just a USB and the boom. So I think this is how you do it. What is this, guys? What is this? Yeah, this is pretty stuck right here, guys. This is what I'm trying to pull out. What the hell? It's like super stuff. Also, this is for the mic if you want to stand this on a wall or hang it up like this on the bottom side. Can you see this, guys? Alright, so this is for this. In case you don't want to stand this, but you want to have it up in the air. Boom, put this up. You can take these out. I believe so. Yup, definitely take these out. Let me show you guys how it's done. Boom. Boom. There you go, guys. Wanna be an American idiot? Yeah. That's how you do it. Boom. You put it right back. It's super easy, guys. Not so complicated. I definitely recommend you guys get this one if you're looking for a mic for your YouTube channel or your podcast or your voiceover, anything, guys. This is pretty nice. I love it. So far, I love it. I hope this works great as well. Boom. Connected. This is how it's done. Look how nice it looks and pretty. And I got a little windbreaker, guys. It's for a Blue Yeti, but it works great over here, I think. Let's go ahead and try this out, guys. Let's see. Okay. Wow. Actually, I'm impressed. Did not expect it this great. This is actually great, like Amir approves. I definitely recommend you guys to get this. And the price, everybody wanna know. The price was, I believe, $60 plus tax. 63, 64. I don't remember. It was around 65, no more than $65. Boom. So look this up, get you one. Alright guys, that's an unboxing. Boom. All you gotta do is jack this up on the bottom. Like this. And that's it. Plug this up on your laptop. You're ready to use this. And it's super nice. Cute. Love it guys. This is my new setup for my desktop. And that's an unboxing guys. Thank you guys for watching my unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.